Weed control in fall vegetables begins now. It can be a challenge to selectively control weeds in vegetables with a limited number of herbicides that are registered on specialty crops. You have the next 5 or 6 months to control the bank of weed seeds that can be a problem after you plant fall vegetables. This involves keeping weeds in the current crop from producing seed and may extend through the summer crop or into the fallow period. Much of the wheat and cotton that are in the field right now are followed by vegetables. There are more herbicides registered for use in cotton than for any other crops grown in Arizona, and with proper management, weeds should not be a problem. The herbicides that are available for wheat and barley is more limited, however, although there are tools for controlling almost all of the common weeds in these crops. Nonetheless, we still get calls about this time every year on what can be done to control weeds that should have been controlled earlier. At this point, it's usually necessary to wait until the weed is maturing before applying pre-harvest treatments to desiccate the weeds that are green, contain too much moisture, and may reduce grain quality. There are herbicides that are registered for pre-harvest use after grain is in the hard dough stage and contains less than 30% moisture. These include both synthetic herbicides like glyphosate and some of the PGRs, and the contact herbicides like AIM, ET, gramoxone, bromoxynil, and others. Not all of these are registered in Arizona, and labels should be checked. Fallow periods before vegetables are planted offer an excellent opportunity to control weeds that cannot be selectively controlled after the crop is planted. Depending on the length of time the field will be fallow, almost every weed can be controlled. Even very difficult perennial weeds like nutsedge can be controlled at this time. The FTAM fallow ground technique is an example of an effective and affordable treatment if 40 to 60 days of fallowing are available. Non-chemical treatments like flooding and solarization have also proven effective in controlling not only weeds but diseases as well. At the very least, weeds can be germinated in discs to reduce the seed bank prior to planting. Thank you.